Hey y'all, welcome back to the channel. Bluegrass Trapper here. I'm back today with another product from OdePro. Here recently I done a review on their KL52 hunting flashlight, and they wanted to know if they could send me the KL52Plus hunting flashlight to do a review on that as well. They liked the last video I done, so thanks OdePro. I'm happy to do a review on it. Like I always say, whenever I do a review on any product, I try to give you my honest thoughts and opinion about the product, whether it's good, bad, or ugly. And if I think it's a quality product, I'm more than happy to do a review on it. If it's not, I'm going to tell you what I think about it regardless. But anyway, it says zoomable long-range LED flashlight. Super bright, 4 LED modules included. Mounts to your scope, on the firearm, innovate, twist, zoom, mechanism for adjustable focus, highlight transmission 54mm anti-scratch convex lens, tactical tail cap with pressure switch and push button on-off tail cap switch. High quality rechargeable Li-ion protected batteries with 2-channel charger. Aerospace grade aluminum body. Now there's that. Now this one here is a little bit different than the other model I done. This is the KL52Plus. It says OdePro KL52 right there. The first thing, we got our separate modules that come with it, where there's the white, green, and the IR850. The IR850 is infrared, and I know with the naked eye I can't see infrared. So I'm either going to use a night vision device to test this one out, or I'm going to see if my camera can see infrared. So how you change, first I'm going to put a battery in it. So it comes with these same batteries, the 3000 1850s. Those are some great batteries. I use their, these are the same batteries that come in the KL62Plus, and my wife uses that light a lot, and those batteries last a long time. And it also has this charger where you can charge one battery at a time. This one actually comes with a wall plug. The other one had a USB connection, but it has a wall plug on the KL52 here. But you can you can charge one battery at a time or both. I really like that because whenever you got one battery in the light, you can be charging the other one and you're not down the light that way, instead of having to charge them both at the same time. It comes with, so this one here, got it on and off back here, like that. And how you zoom on this one is the whole body of the light, twist in and out. So I'm going to show y'all how to exchange. Let's see, I got the green in it right now. Zoom it out. Hopefully that's not blinding y'all, it's pretty bright. So how do you exchange the modules? You unscrew the head right here. Now you can see that module is inside the body. You zoom that out and it comes up out of the body. Once it comes up where you can get a hold of it, just take and unscrew it. Back in the day I've seen these exchangeable, they used to have exchangeable lenses, and that'd just be some cheap lens. Oh, battery come out. Cheap lens that you just switch out. These are actual modules that switch out, and they all come in these individual cases. The green I just took out. This is the white. Just take and you screw that in, kind of like a choke on a shotgun. And you're good to go. Only takes a couple seconds. Of course, if you're coyote hunting, you're probably going to pick a color. A lot of people like to use red, some people like to use green. If I was predator hunting, I'd probably just put whichever one I'm going to use. I don't even know if I take the other ones with me. But it's nice that you can switch them out if you want a different color. Yeah, that's the white light right there. And red changes out the same way. It also has these little holes here, little lanyard. If you want to put a lanyard on it, put your own lanyard on it. Comes with 2 extra O-rings to keep it waterproof should they ever wear out. The O-rings fit real nice and tight in these. It also comes with this metal clip, or bracket, I should say. This mounts to your Picatinny rail on your gun, or you can mount it to your shotgun or your shotgun barrel, rifle barrel, whatever. I wouldn't recommend doing that personally because it would be metal to metal. I think they should have put a little rubber in those inside here, but you could always cut something out and put over your barrel before you screw that on if you're just going to use this bracket. Me personally, I'll probably never use that bracket unless I put it on my rail. It comes with another bracket. This is the bracket I would use. This is plastic, but it's a hard plastic and it seems real sturdy. You screw this onto your scope and the other end screws onto the light. And I'm telling you guys, you would think that would flop around. You get that on your scope, that on your gun, I mean this on the light, that sucker ain't going nowhere. You can put it on the side, top, wherever you want to put it, on top of your scope. Now this one here, you would need to mount it back here towards the back because this whole body turns when you zoom in and out. So you got your on and off switch here, and then you got your pressure switch. You can take this back off, screw this pressure switch on, and when you got that mounted on your gun, you can have this switch back here where you can get to it, and you can be up here aiming. You can turn it on and off with the switch right here. It has a Velcro sticky thing with Velcro. Goes right on the side of your gun, so you can have everything in your hands while you're aiming. Which is pretty cool. I like how they got these in individual cases. So those are the positives I like about the light. These are not some cheap lenses. They are pretty hefty modules that screw in and out. That old ladybug out of here. And then of course you got your charger, and that's pretty much all that comes with it. And if many of you know, if you've ever watched any of my flashlight reviews, I like to take them out at nighttime, shine them in the dark. Not much you can do with a flashlight in daytime other than show you the features. Shine them in the dark, see if we can't find some critters. If not, I'll put something out there and shine a light on it. We'll check distance, things like that. So y'all stay tuned. We'll take it out, test it out, see what it does. That's all the way bright. And then it also has that one, and it has that one. And then that first time you turn it on, it's dim. Do it again, it's a little brighter, all the way bright. And me personally, well, we'll talk about that some more when we go in the house. All the way bright, it's really, really bright. And it's a good hunting light. And you can see the cows are just laying around chewing their gut and such. Let me change color, show you all the next color. Alright, here's the green light in the KL52. You can see really good, nice light. I discovered something though. The green and the red only have bright. all the way bright. The white one is the one that does the blink, that blinks, and it's got 3 different brightness, which is not bad. Because if I was out coyote hunting, I wouldn't want to have to go through 2 or 3 settings to get to the one I want. Like I say, you can zoom in and out with all of them. I don't know if y'all see that cow out there scratching her back, but she's way out there. Green light, pretty awesome. Bright, bright. Let me change out the mods and I'll show you all the red. Alright, here's the red. Red light again, nice light. It's bright. If you're predator hunting with them, you would probably pick one light for that hunt, one color for that hunt, whether it be green or red. But you can take the case with you and you have all 3 of them. So you can always change them out. But there's the cow. One of the cows, a few of the cows. Like I say, this zooms in and out just like all the rest of them. This is the IR. I don't have an IR device to test it with other than this little camera. But what you need is, in order to use this IR light for hunting, you need a night vision device, whether it be night vision binoculars, night vision scope. If you had a night vision scope, it would be pretty awesome because you could shine your light essentially without shining a light. You could see them night vision through with night vision device, and the coyote is not going to see your light. So that'd be pretty cool. So, alright, let's go back in the house and I'll give you all my final thoughts. Alright guys, my final thoughts on the KL52Plus Hunting Flashlight. So you've seen how it performed outside with shining at the cows out there. I apologize that I couldn't do a better review on the IR light. I didn't have a night vision device. If you had a night vision device, I think the IR device would probably do great. But I couldn't do a lot of testing because I can't see IR with the naked eye. The camera can see just a little bit, but it's not going to see near as good as night vision scope or night vision binoculars or something like that. But it might be worth purchase for the IR light. Like I say, I couldn't do a lot of testing on that. I like the green light, I like the red light, and I like the white light. But there's a couple things that I'm not crazy about on the white light. But if you're predator hunting with this light, you're probably going to go with red or green. And you do have to change these out manually. Which, like I say, if you're using this strictly for hunting, I think it would be a great light. If you're using this all-purpose light, then I wouldn't care about the other 3 colors. I would only use the white. But what I was going to say on the white light, instead of having the dimmer switch knob that turns on the back, like some of their models, this one, you turn it on once, you turn it on again. The first time it's dim, second time it's a little brighter, third time brighter than that. The 4th time you get a blink, a fast blink. 5th time you get a slower blinking light. Then turn it on again, it's back to dim, brighter, brighter, blink, blink. Anyway, for me personally, you're probably not going to use the white light for hunting anyway. But if you was using the white light for hunting, say you're coon hunting, you have to go through 3 settings, which it don't take long. It's just blink, 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 and then you're there. 3 settings to get it all the way bright. I would prefer the knob that dims bright. Anyway, that's the only kind of negative that I see, but that's only on the white mod. The rest of the mod don't have that feature. The rest of the mods, I can talk here, the rest of the mods are one brightness, and they're pretty doggone bright. But anyway, so like I said, if you're using this just for hunting, I believe it would be a great light. So I'll leave links in the description. You can find these on Amazon, and if you're in the market for a light like this, check them out. And I do appreciate each and every one of y'all watching. Thanks OdePro for sending me yet another product. And I appreciate y'all. I'll catch y'all on the next one.